Hey everybody, I'm Mike Pianadosi. I own Georgia Mountain Customs in Jasper, Georgia. We're a little good old boy hometown shop. We had the honor of being selected to come to the World of Wheels National Championship. The vehicle that's showcased behind me is one of my builds, 1962 Corvette. The owner, Andrew Petrello, allowed me to build this car from him from the ground up. Originally the build was not supposed to be for ISCA, but at the end of the day, we met the criteria to show this car this caliber, and we fixed everything that we needed to become a championship circle winner in this aspect and take a shot at winning the nationals. You know, I'm a custom body shop in a small town, Jasper, Georgia. We're about 65 miles outside Atlanta. We specialize in trying to help people's dreams come true. You know, this gentleman here, I built this car for him. We went to the first show in Chattanooga, Tennessee last year. He won his first award, came off the stage almost in tears, and told me that I made a childhood dream come true. So at the end of the day, that's the big reason I do this. It's not all about the money. We all know it takes money to build these kind of cars, but at the end of the day, I like trying to help people's investments and build them something that they have that they can enjoy for the rest of their life. Most of the people nowadays that build these cars, they're retired. They're looking for that dream. They're looking to chase, you know, a little bit of life left in them. And it's an honor to build cars of this caliber. We build anything you want from the ground up. We'll even redo your custom restorations. My shop stands behind what we do. We lifetime warranty our quality of work. We shoot PPG quality paint. And the car pretty much sells itself. So if anybody's interested to, you know, need my services or anything, we have a Georgia Mountain Customs Facebook, and we also have Georgia Mountain Customs webpage. Feel free to look us up. Feel free to call me. I'll be glad to sit and talk with you, point you in the right direction. Even if I don't get to restore a car for you, I'll be glad to help you in any way I can. I thank you guys for your time, and I appreciate, you know, the opportunity if I get to work on your car. Thank you.